If pollution goes up into the sky, then acid rain will make you cry. So, from this sentence, do you know what our topic is today? Yes, that's right, acid rain. Hi you all, let me introduce myself. I am Lutfiah Qolbi from 11 Science 1 UPT SMA Negeri 1 Bone. Do you know what is acid rain? Acid rain is a rain or any other form of rain or snow that is unusually acidic, meaning that it contains rain with low potential of hydrogen or pH. It can cause harmful effect on plants, aquatic animals, and infrastructure. Acid rain is caused by the emissions of sulfur dioxide or SO2 and nitrogen oxide or NO, which react with the water molecules in the atmosphere to produce acids. Acid rain generally occurs in a big and crowded city, which have industrial areas and a lot of cars. Combustion of fuels produce sulfur dioxide or SO2 and nitric oxide or NO. Then they are converted into sulfuric acid and nitric acid through some chemical processes. When the two solutions oxidize and form clouds, the aqueous form drop in the form of acid cloud droplets. This phenomena is called acid rain. Acid rain can cause a higher aluminum concentration in the surface water, which leads to the death of the fish and making it more difficult to survive. The soil can also turn to be infertile and affecting sensitive species. Buildings and statues whose made of rocks can get corrosion. However, acid rain does not directly affect humans' health. Although it does not really affect humans' health, government still consider the nature and made some regulations. Some of the regulations are vehicle emissions control and the installation of pollution control equipment. Well, it brings me to the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye! Well, it brings me to the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!